Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the Sqlite command line tools and placing them in a simple folder, for example C/Sqlite. Once done, add that folder to your path or run Sqlite 3. Exe directly. This makes the shell accessible from any command prompt. Then, in cmd, type Sqlite 3 mydb. db to create or open a database file. This first file is your working environment. You do this now, so subsequent commands run immediately, and you avoid extra setup steps later. You define your schema with create table so queries are predictable, specify types and primary keys to optimize storage and indexes. Once your table exists, set mode CSV in the shell and run. Import file. CSV table name to bring data in. This is faster than row-by-row inserts. Make sure to wrap bulk changes in begin. Commit, so operations are atomic and faster. Also create indexes on columns you query often. They speed select, but cost space during writes. You finish by making a backup. Run. Backup main backup file, db or use. Dump to export SQL, this preserves schema and data. Then run vacuum to compact the file and pragma integrity check to confirm consistency. Once done, attach auxiliary databases if needed and adjust pragma settings for performance. If something goes wrong, first check for a leftover WAL or journal file, verify file permissions, and ensure the Sqlite 3. Exe on path is the expected version. These are the most common quick fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.